In this video, I'm going to be giving you a couple of different side hustles that you can do at home that will make you money very fast. Hello my loves, and welcome to The Guru. The word guru means a influential teacher or a popular expert. So I'm not the only guru here. The next month we will be getting your favorite gurus here on my channel, and you're gonna hear from them. Yes, this channel started with hair, but there are so many different things that we as the collective need. If I can get all of these people in one place, why not? So let's get into it. We're gonna first start with me today, and if you guys remember, about a year ago I made a video called Killing the Program. We also talked a little bit about six-figure funnels, and I know at the time for a lot of people, especially because there are so many different people on YouTube trying to sell you stuff and everything, you guys probably thought it was just another marketing ploy. But no, the reason that I was preaching so hard and talking so much about creating your own six-figure funnel was for situations like this, because to be honest, right now within this nationwide, almost worldwide quarantine, unless you are at one of those places that are remaining open, you literally went from making six figures one day to the very next day your business being completely closed down. So if we go back to my video entitled Six-Figure Funnel, you will see that I said in that video that if something like this happened, you needed your own six-figure funnel, to the point that whether your hands were moving or not, whether you went to work or not, you were still making money. So you guys head over to those videos, and it is okay if you have to go and catch up, but catch up. Number one is called user testing. Now, user testing pays anything from $10 to $60 per gig. Like a Best Buy, they'll have, they'll have a website, and they need you to test their website to see if whether or not it's engaging enough, or if whether or not it's easy to maneuver. Navigate through the website, and as you navigate through the website, you'll answer certain questions, you'll stop, and you'll have to give your opinion on like a microphone and things of that nature. But the faster you finish them, the more money you can make. And if you go ahead and do your research on Reddit, you can see that there are quite a few people that are making some money on that. Number two is a lot like number one. It is called User Testing Club, and it is the same type of concept. They just pay a little less user testing, but the concept is still the same. You go on there and you see how easy or how hard it is to navigate through the website. You give your honest opinion and you get paid. Okay, it's VIP Kid. VIP Kid is a platform that teaches children how to speak English. Now, for this one, you need no type of training as it pertains to like being a teacher or anything like that. The lesson plans are pretty self-explanatory, and this job pays about $22 an hour with no experience. So keep in mind, you guys, you cannot just get on there and sign in and be like, okay, I'm gonna make money. No, this is gonna be an actual job, but if you put in the time and the dedication, you can make about $22 an hour with VIP Kid. So go ahead and look into that. Yes, so you would make approximately like $7 to $9, like every 25 minutes. So just keep on going. The more you work, the more money you make. If you're making anywhere from $7 to $9 every 25 minutes, if you're really sitting there all day, then you'll make a lot of money. And once again, if you do your research on Reddit, they said on there that the best time and the time that you make the most money is when you're working later in the day. Because remember, most of these people that need to learn English are in other countries. So when it's late at night and we're sleeping, it's early in the morning for them. So the later you stay up and work, the more money you make, because there are more jobs on there, and you literally just log in and their jobs are just waiting for you. So check out VIP Kid. This one is like a caption writing or transcribing. One of the top transcribing companies is known as rev.com. And what do I mean by transcribing? So just like this video here, for the most part, when it comes to the captions under my videos, YouTube does a pretty good job at doing my captions. However, even for me, I need to hire someone to do my captions. So on rev.com, you can literally go on there and there'll be a whole bunch of different jobs and a bunch of different videos, and you literally get paid to listen to videos and then write down what they're saying, transcribing them. The faster you type, the more money you make. There are a lot of people, once again, on reddit.com that are reporting earnings as high as $1,000 a month within the first couple of months of them getting on rev.com. So that is really something that you should look into. Remember, we are at home. Another really good one, there will be a long list of jobs for you to go in and pick from, and then you can go ahead and work those jobs. And after you complete those jobs, you know, after you get done transcribing, then you instantly get paid. Okay, so that one is the money comes a little faster. Like I said, with rev.com, you kind of have to build a profile and, you know, get ratings and things of that nature. But with Go Transcripts, you make money a lot faster, and you don't have to go fishing around for clients because the list is already there. Another website to teach children is called Schooly.com. Schooly.com is another website that you can go on and you can teach children. A lot of children are looking for tutors, especially now. Keep in mind, a lot of parents, even though yeah, we're all at home, a lot of people have to work from home, and they can't necessarily work from home and tutor their kids the way that they need to. So a lot of people are hiring tutors right now. So Schooly is a very good website. You guys go ahead and make your profiles, but these next couple do require some type of degree because they do go a little deeper. So make sure you check the description box below, and I'll leave all of the details in the description box below for which videos actually need some type of degree or some type of certification. Schooly, it's been found that most of them are making about $25 an hour, you guys. Remember, the more aggressive you are with working and your hours, the more money you will make. Okay, this next one is yup.com. I think I'm saying that right, yup.com. That's really good to me. But on yup.com, this is one that does require some type of degree. So if you have like a bachelor's degree in some type of education or something, make sure you just go on there and look around. But this one is requiring some type of certification. But obviously, the more, you know, degrees you have in whatever field, the more money you can make. But you log on to yup.com, and on here is really cool because even once you book your appointments, whether people show up for the appointments or not, as long as you're logged into the portal and available, you're still getting paid. But it is a really good asset. And remember, these are things that you can do on a constant basis because we're at home for the next month. So if I was you, I would get on all of these at one time. Okay, so lastly, this one is actually pretty interesting. If you are a person who loves to write, or if you want to get into writing or something like that, this next one is really good, and it is called textbooker.com. You get paid to write articles. So there will be a lot of different businesses, and they may need different blog posts written or different articles written. And peep this, you are in complete and total control of how much money you make because you are literally getting paid by the minute, or by the word, I should say. So there are different topics on there, and people need articles written about these certain topics. So you would go on there and you would pick a certain topic, and once you write about the topic, you get paid a certain amount per word. So it all depends on how long of an article you are able to write. The longer and the more interesting, the better. Keep in mind that most reportings are people making about 5 cents per word. So it is completely and totally up to you how good your articles are and how long you can make them, how much money you can make. So textbooker.com is so amazing for that. If you are a person who likes to write, or if you just want to get into writing and try it out, get on textbooker.com, because if you are a person who has a big huge blog or something like that and you need articles written but you have a lot of other things going on, you might not have the time to sit down and write articles, so you'll pay someone to do that. Textbooker is amazing, you guys. So I don't know, these are just a few of, you know, the different sources of income that I know of that you guys can do at home. This is, you know, our first installment, really second installment of The Guru. And like I said, here on this podcast slash, you know, channel, you know, video, whatever we're gonna call it, I'm going to make sure I'm constantly giving you tips to elevate and take you to new levels, because there are so many different ways that you can make money online and make money in your sleep. Because peep this, let's say for example you decide to do textbooker.com, you can literally go on there one day, one week, and say, okay, I'm gonna pick a whole bunch of these topics, pick a bunch of different topics, and then spend a day or two just writing different articles and then posting them. And after a while, you'll notice people will start seeing those articles and they'll start purchasing them, and you will begin to make money in your sleep, you guys. Just go ahead and give some of these a try. You're at home anyway. Please do not worry, I'm going to be a resource for you. Make sure that if you have not done so already, you have subscribed here to my channel, and once you subscribe, be sure to click that bell notification so you are notified each and every time I post another video. And be sure to subscribe to my website, because there you will get daily motivation, and I will also be throwing around little tips and different links and stuff for you guys. So once again, subscribe to the website, most important thing, because we are building family here. And you guys, stop worrying. Quarantine and all of this is just an opportunity for us to all like calm down, reorganizing things, and really start getting things in different perspectives and thinking like, okay, is this what I should be doing, or should I start doing different things? It is very, very important for you to never put all of your eggs in one basket, because if one basket breaks down, you can grab those eggs and spread them out amongst the other ones. Okay, so these are different baskets, girl. Take the eggs out, girl. I love you, girl. Bye, girl. And not just girl, boy too. But in the comments below, really quick, let me know what you got out of this video, if anything. And be sure to subscribe to my channel, because in a couple of days I'm going to have one of your favorite gurus. I know she's one of my favorite gurus, and she will be here on my channel at The Guru, giving you some of her expert advice on how she got to where she is and how she's still climbing day by day. I'm not going to tell you who she is right now. If you want to try to guess, leave it in the comments below. Leave your guess below which big YouTuber is going to be the first guru that steps up and through here. Okay, I want to know who you think it is. And until my next video, bye, girl.